This is just a quick video for this next set of fairly straightforward verbs. Type 12 verbs are e-conjugation ending in ti. After removing the ti, they all receive an I before the j, then the ending for the relevant pronoun. Dospjeti, to reach, becomes dospije. Izumjeti, to invent, becomes izumije. Razumjeti, to understand, becomes razumije. Smjeti, to allow, becomes smije. And uspjeti, to succeed, becomes uspije. We have already seen verbs ending in jeti in the type 3 verbs such as vidjeti and živjeti, where the whole ending was replaced. Type 12 keep the je and receives an additional I. And there is another group again with an apparent ending of jeti that we will see soon, such as donieti, which undergoes a different change. So as you can see, it is difficult to establish which form these verbs take without learning them individually, and we are currently working on some more quizzes to help you practice and get more familiar with them all. This type 12 list only has one verb that is imperfect, which is smjeti, the rest being perfect, so you'll see that one more frequently in the present tense. You may recognize smijem in another form it takes, which is the verb smjeti se, which means to laugh. Smjeti se is a type 5 verb which changes to smijem se. So the context of the sentence is sometimes the only way you can tell these apart. And we will leave you with the table comparing the different pronouns, which of course is also available in our Croatian grammar and dictionary. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Vidimo se.